Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're swapping out the battery and SSD on this Lenovo Yoga laptop. As you can see on the sticker is a model 530. For this, you'll need just a couple of screwdrivers, a 1.5 Phillips and a T5. First, let's remove the screws on the back. Then use a prying tool to carefully lift the cover off. Inside, you will see the battery and the NVMe SSD. Important, always disconnect the battery first to avoid any shocks. To remove the battery, take out the 4 screws. You'll notice a little arrow next to them. And here is the battery model. I'll be replacing it with an aftermarket one. Links are in the description. Put the new battery in, align it properly, screw it back. Done! Now for the SSD, leave the heat shield and see the old 128GB drive. This was causing boot loops and update issues. We'll upgrade it to a 512GB NVMe drive. Just remove the single screw. Slide out the old SSD at an angle. Insert the new one and secure it. I've already installed the operating system and transferred all the files, so it's ready to boot. If you installed a new drive and want to install Windows yourself, I have a full video on how to do it. You can check the link right here above. Reconnect the battery. Put the back cover loosely in place and test it. As you can see, the laptop is charging properly. You can also run a quick PowerShell command to generate a full battery report. And the charging light is on. Once you're sure it's all working, screw the cover back on and you're done. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.